Remember Jerusalem, we're there, yeah. You can't cuss me as What's happening?
חברים, ספייס בהופעה חיה, W Club, קנות 26, תגיעו, בום בום.
Put some respect on the bomber class flag name.
Hey, fanatics, welcome. It's your girl Mel. I hope you guys are doing well. Coming up, I will be sharing clips from Spice's live performance in Israel. Let's start out with her outfit. It was very unusual, but it gives me a yellow bird vibe. You know, like Tweety Bird or Sesame Street's Big Bird. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. This show was not like any of her larger shows. I think this show was more on the calmer side, and the crowd was more, relaxed and calmer than other shows that I've seen on this tour. I've also noticed that Spice was more focusing on spitting lyrics instead of a normal, energetic dancing. Girl must be tired, but guess what? Her dancers were very much at work. I can definitely give them that. I won't say much more, guys. Watch for yourself and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section.
Put some respect on the bomber class flag. Richie, drop it. Go down and over in and over beyond. But you can't just talk this and talk beyond. As I over can I talk beyond. And I want you know. Let two my dancers there. Jeppy. Skin out the pump. Body me a wine and a boom. Pump. Body and a boom. Body and I sit up on it. Pum so tight for me man off it. Phone take a picture, yeah. You won't be crying, let me back broke me. I know y'all never do the best time where the designers. You know the pum. Body me a wine and a pum. I did the designer, we are both a wine. We let together who we are come. You wrote me crying, let me back broke me fight. Just never do the best time when the design. You know, you wrote the sheet. Leave me fat pum underneath. What me ever do it when me under the sheet. Right, up in the palace, tear off the sheet. The man has never smell good between the shade. They don't know who I was sleeping under the head. When me under the sheet. Turn it up in a me position right there for now move. Turn it up, turn it. And so me go and me dey panic. So me sit down and me stop book panic. Right on the body and me stop panic. Honey. And so me go and me dey panic, man. I love you all, thank you.
God bless. Eh? Apart from the cousin that God place. Eh? You can't do nothing in there. Hey, we are though. I cousin Jerusalem. You know. And you can't fight me. You can't fight me, yes sir. You have to hold it. You can't do me nothing, yes sir.
Why did you cover your beauty? Excuse me. Why you cover your beauty?
I'm not covering my beauty. I'm just, you know.
She's in the Holy Land.
I'm in the Holy Land. Huh? I love you, Spice. Say it in Hebrew. I love you too. Oh God.
You have made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace. I'm out.